Good morning, Clay Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a repurchase basically. I sold this camper brand new. Customers moving away, needed to get rid of the camper, we bought it back. So here's a 2017 Lance 975 dry bath, rear kitchen, very nice floor plan, very well equipped. Stored inside, so that was very nice of the previous customers. It's got the swing out brackets in case you have the wide dually pickup, and it's the dry bath, side awning, rear awning, generator, dual pane windows, nice all-season camper, in very nice shape. We had a great opportunity to be able to buy this back and add it to our used camper inventory, and it would make somebody a very nice camper, very well maintained, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you have any questions on this particular camper or our camper inventory here at Guaranty RV Center, please contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.